Hi guys, welcome back to the Wagwan Tours here in Marmaris. Not so sunny today, but we're going to take a little walk around and see Wagwan, innit? You know the vibe, let's go. So yeah, this is the promenade. It's actually quite a long one. You can go all the way from Marmaris Harbour all the way. You can walk all the way to Ishmael if you want actually. We've done it before, we've got a video of it. We're actually heading to Ishmael today. We might come back to Marmaris either tomorrow, I think. Tomorrow? Yeah, I think tomorrow we're going to come back to Marmaris. And then we're going to come film a bit of the bazaar. And then yeah, the Batman there. But yeah. Not a sunny day today, we've got a bit of cloud. It's really warm though. I'm in shorts and t-shirt. So it's not exactly cold. But yeah, we're going to take a nice walk down. Sabrina's just recording the old cheapest beer and cheapest food. I'm going to walk on and just make you a nice video for the day. So yeah, if you come to Marmaris, where do you stay? Do you stay at Passa Garden? Looks quite cool. Some tunes on. Getting me the old copyright strike. Yeah. So this is the water park. Sabrina's got a video. I think she's got 2 videos of going in here actually. So yeah, we're meeting up here for Andy today. And Rachel, happy birthday for yesterday, Rachel. I'll buy you a cocktail later when I see you. I want to say big shout out to Matthew Upton, long time subscriber. Thanks for the support, mate. So it's just Atlantis. And you've got Blackpool coming up as well. But yeah, let's quickly have a look for Sabrina. She's at the top there. So yeah, you've got Blackpool here. $5.99 for a breakfast. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. That's Blackpool. Every single beach comes with Wi-Fi, shower, sunbeds, all for free. Just buy a drink. You can pay. It's like two quid, 120 most places. But again, like I said, Sabrina will give you the lowdown on. She's going to ask every bar. She's not going to show menus, but she's going to ask every bar, and she's not going to go into them, but she's going to ask for the cheapest beer and how much a burger. But yeah, might take a water taxi over to Marmaris, Ishmael, sorry. Haven't done one yet. So you got Vamos. I don't know if this is new for this year or it was here last year. I really can't remember actually. I don't watch my own videos back. I edit them and then that's it. It's finito. So yeah. Our hotel, I'll show you it. You can see it from here to the beach. Nice and busy in this part. The sun's just popped out as well. Lovely to see you, sunshine. So our hotel is just over here. Sunway, it's actually this one. See this one just here, that one there. Use my hand so it stops focus on me. Sunway Hotel. And yeah, this is like 2 seconds from where you are. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. 2 seconds from the beach. We've never done any jet skis or anything here before. We don't really do that when we go on holiday because we're always filming for you guys. Check that one out. Very new decking. A lot of bars now have got this decking going out into, what's it called, pontoons. They got this area now set up. Because you can see the beach. You know, here's what it is. It's not as clean as Ishmael Beach. Yeah, check it out. Let's have a quick look. Really nice. Look, those little bits to lay down on. quite windy, like I said, though. It's all the way around there. So all the way in the distance over there, you've got the old town, Marmaris Old Town, which I just call Marmaris. I don't know if it's called Old Town, but that's where the bazaar is, where you got Bar Street. It's quite nice. We was there last night filming. We did our normal Bar Street, went into every single nightclub, what they called super clubs, filmed everything that you could see was going on in there. And yeah, so this one, Irish pub, just a standard name. Irish beach, Irish pub. Yeah, and then you got the Red Lion next to it. But it's nothing like the Red Lion in Benidorm. Nothing like the one in Benidorm. It was in the one in Benidorm, and you had the old strip show going on. But yeah. So that's the Red Lion. Really nice day for it though. But it's not so hot. When we came in September, wow, that was super hot. And actually last year May was actually quite hot. This year May, windy, cloudy. Had a nice warm day yesterday. We got a little bit of a tan, but nothing too over the top heat, you know, mid-20s, which is fine for doing what we're doing because all the equipment will overheat. We don't want that, so that you got another one there, pontoon. Red flag on the beach, so maybe the water's not so clean today. If it means the same as what it means in England. But yeah, red flag. Gonna meet up with Andy later on. And Rachel, like I said. Two of our long-time subscribers as well. Big supporters of the channel. So guys, if you could all subscribe, if you're not subscribed to the channel, as I always tell you, it's like 90%. I put it down to 90% for this season. I would say 90% of everyone who watches the videos are not subscribed to the channel, which I always say thank you for watching anyway. I don't really, you know, you're viewing it, that's the main thing. The views and the watch hours is really what helps us, but we do want to get ourselves a sponsor at some point, because that's where we can make some good money. But it's not something that we actually hunt out. We don't actually contact them or anything. So this is the big Green Nature Hotel. Very, very big hotel, as you can see. Very, very nice. Got a big stage for the music. So yeah, look. Green Nature Diamond Resort. Yeah? And you've got Volo restaurant on the side of it. Okay, so they've got flumes in there as well. He's got a red flag on that as well. I wonder what that actually means, the red flag. If you can drop in the comments, is it the same as our green, yellow and red at England, where we don't swim if it's red? I mean, if I'm looking from here, the water does not look as clean. It's very murky and there's a lot of rubbish in the water. But where you got these sunbeds and everything, they've mostly cleaned up the beach. Like, because it's just early season, you know. When you see when we get to Zante, the exact same. The beaches will just be ready, and that means, you know, they've come down. The government have come down and cleaned them up. Which, you know, you have to wait for them to come down. We've been there before. We actually went in March to Zante one time, and beaches were horrible, really horrible. You couldn't lay on the beach, and you know the locals were telling you don't walk on the beach because it is not clean, and you could have anything go on your feet. So your feet are very important things. So here we are at Hollywood. I think this is where we're going to wait for Sabrina. So yeah guys, if you're a football fan, let me know what you think about old Spygate. I think it's hilarious. I get it if you're Middlesbrough, you're a bit upset. You had your chance. What was it? 75% possession in the first half of the first leg. 17 shots or something like that. And you didn't score. Hit the post 3 times. And you still want to cry about someone cheating? Who cares? Play the game and win. But yeah guys, what we're going to do, we're going to end this one here. So guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the hype button, share to all your family and friends, and I'll catch you on the very next one.